going on, boys? You may have noticed I haven't filmed in the past 5 days, and maybe you didn't notice. Long story short, I woke up 5 days ago. 5 days ago. I woke up before that, but 5 days ago I woke up, and then I woke up ever since, but you get what I'm saying. And my morning routine is to go and, you know, just look by my bed right beside me, saying, my dog Panda, she always lies there with me. She is. And I wake up, I say, hey big girl, you know, I always call her that. She gets up and she moves. And what do I find? She smushed my fucking hat to smithereens. I put it back in place because it's the only place it goes right now, but if you crunk it back in, it's still effed. So I made a promise to myself before this video that I would get a new hat, and then I went the other day to get a new hat and my card had been maxed out, so I tried the other card and it was maxed out. I tried 3 more, they're maxed out. And I'm pretty sure somebody stole my card. Really sneakily spent it all and put it back in my wallet. Cause I'm pretty somewhat sure that I didn't do that. But it's time to suck it up and realize the hat's gone. I got a new one. It's one of those backwards ones. And we must continue. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Yeah, no, that really did happen. It is a little messed up, but the past 5 days I actually have been like spitting in it a little bit and trying to get it back in order and then tightening it up with the hair dryer or something like that. So it's a little messy still, but I think we'll, yeah, see it pops up. It looks better on camera. It doesn't matter. Boys, give a thumbs up, comment down below. I don't know what the hell we're unboxing today. Package right here. Mystery package. Usually I check the tracking. I looked at my emails. I couldn't find the tracking number anywhere, but it's addressed to me. So that's what we're unboxing. Thank you for joining back. In all reality, why I haven't filmed. One, the hat really did set me off a little bit. Also, my computer wasn't working, so I called up some people being like, hey, my computer doesn't work. And then finally somebody's like, yo, did you check the hard drive? Is it full? I'm like, don't know what that means. And then I checked, they told me how to, and it was filled, so I unfilled it. I just deleted everything. Hopefully my channel doesn't get shut down, because we're fucked. And we now have space again, I guess how that works, so we can edit videos. Anyway, we're back. Mystery box. Let's see what's in it. Literally no idea, boys. And we're off to a bad start already, boys. I forgot to turn on the camera. I already unboxed the damn thing. What we found in here had me pickled is, it's got maybe Chinese writing on it, I don't know. A writing I can't figure out right there. And I thought it might be a wrapper mystery box, because I know I have a lot of those coming in with jewelry and stuff. I have zero clue. I don't know if someone sent, well no, they could have sent it to me because it says Brandon on it. Okay, well, anyway. Mystery unboxing, boys. We're gonna be stoked or not. No idea. Sometimes this stuff takes 6 months to come in. NameBranFan.com, boys. Link is down below. It's our damn website. We got free jewelry on there. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. 2 free pieces of your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Also mystery boxes. Most importantly, $24.99 only. $55 worth of value in there. Probably gonna find some jewelry, some merch, stuff like that. We're gonna pick one person else to get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X too. So let's go. Get into these damn boxes, boys. Oh God. Only. Yeah. What the f is that? That's not marijuana? No. Dude, this better be something for the damn day. I don't know what the frick that is. What? It took me seeing the damn light. Oh, my bad. It took me seeing these. This is, oh man, this might be my last video ever. This is potentially for our wedding, just like some weird things to hang up somewhere. Oh, I was supposed to unbox that with my girl. Oh, there's a lot of them. How? Oh, shit. Oh, she's gonna be peeved. She said don't unbox these till I get home. She's on a work trip right now. Oh, there's so many. What a... No, screw that. What a failed unboxing is what it is. How many did we buy? I gave him my credit card one time. Oh, Lord. Well, I can't not upload today. It's been 5 days. This is a lot of... Now I'm looking at them in person. They don't even look that good. Now I wish I didn't even open it that much. They should all be returned stat. They look plastic as all hell. Why didn't we get the real thing? Oh no, that's for the centerpieces of the table. Oh my god, she's gonna kill me. Okay, well, fudge. That's, I don't know, I can't review leaves to you guys. They look awful. If we're really gonna go, you know, the stem doesn't look that bad. If you actually look at the stem of the leaf right here, that does look a little bit more authentic than everything else. Okay, now I'm actually just getting awkward and I gotta chill out because shoot, she's gonna kill me. Alright, appreciate y'all for watching. Oh, no wonder I couldn't figure out what the damn package was. It's under her damn email. I'm searching all my emails, trying to figure out the code. It's like tracking number. I can figure out generally where it's from. Bye. Sorry. Here's